Hey, this is a little look at my garden this year. I know it isn't much, it's more of a garden of weeds. I know it's partly my fault for not tending to it enough, but I also think it's getting too much shade. See, with having my raised beds near the western tree line, I think that they're not seeing enough late afternoon sun. It's like pathetic, this is all I got for a pumpkin this year. Here, if you can see, I actually have some asparagus that manages to come back every year. And I did get some good apples on my Honeycrisp apple tree this year. But nothing on the Snow Sweet or Zestar apple trees. I had a few plums on my Toka plum tree, but nothing on my Black Ice or my Superior plum, I believe. So here I came up with a plan to move the beds, so I started digging the dirt out of them. Next, I pried them up from the ground and I put logs under them to make them easier to move. I put a strap around them and they actually drug fairly easy across the lawn with my truck. So the plan was to move them to the east side of my yard where they get a lot more sun from the west. So after I got them positioned where I wanted them, I filled them back up with dirt. I may put up a fence to keep the deer and rabbits out, but for now we'll see if I get better results next year. I hope you enjoyed this and thanks again for watching.